Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be filtering some data based on specific conditions. To begin, I'm going to grab the filter tool from the tool palette and then connect that to the formula tool in the canvas. In the configuration window on the left, make sure that the option for the basic filter is selected. In the configuration window, click on the drop down next to the select column and then select the option for country. In the drop down next to the equal sign, make sure that you have the equals to selected. In the text box here, type in US. So I've specified the criteria that will be used to filter the data. So I'm going to run the workflow by clicking on the run button. We now have some results being displayed in the result window. In the result window, we can switch between the T icon, which stands for true. That means it contains all the records that matches the filter criteria. And then we have the false icon, which contains all the records that does not match the filter criteria. So if you look in the F icon here, under country, we have different countries represented. So that means the records here does not comply to the filter. So if I click on the true icon here, you can see that under country we have US listed. So the records here matches those that have been filtered. In this video, we filtered some data based on values in a column. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.